Hello everyone. This class we are going to learn conversation for all occasions. This book is comprehensive English conversation and grammar text all rolled into one, suitable for students who are able to write decently and would like to work on English pronunciation and speaking skill. Students can both read and listen to English using the accompanying CD recording of every written dialogues. Chapter 2, An Afternoon in the Kitchen. Situation: Mrs. Anderson is baking cakes when her daughter Debbie gets home from school. Debbie: Mom, I'm home. Mr. Anderson: How was school? How did you do on the test? Debbie: School was okay, and I did great on the test. Mom: I was so worried about that test, but now I feel great. What a relief. Mr. Anderson: I'm glad to hear that. You have been studying so hard the past few weeks. Now you can relax and enjoy life. Debbie: What are you cooking? It smells so good. Mr. Anderson: I'm baking cakes. This is your favorite carrot cake. Debbie: It looks really yummy. And I see muffins over there too. You were busy, weren't you? Mr. Anderson: Yes. Chefy has to take something to school tomorrow. So those muffins are for him. Don't touch them. Debbie: Can I have a piece of carrot cake? And I want to enjoy life right now. Mr. Anderson: You don't want to wait until after dinner. Debbie: It looks inviting, and I bet it is delicious. No, I don't want to wait. Can I? Mom. Mr. Anderson: Okay, go ahead. Debbie: Did you see the new recipe that was posted on Today Cooking's website? I believe it was called Crumptions Pie. Mr. Anderson: No, I didn't, but I want to try that recipe. Your dad loves pie, Debbie. So do I. Mr. Anderson: So does Chef. Our whole family is crazy about pie. Debbie: When do you want to try the new recipe? I want to learn too. Should we bake a cherry pie and an apple pie? Mr. Anderson: Since this is the cherry season, let's make a cherry pie. Tomorrow I will get some cherries at the supermarket and we can start baking in the afternoon when you get home from school. Debbie: I need to finish a science project and I will not get home until 3:30. Will it too late to start baking, Mom? If it is, you can start without me. Mr. Anderson: 3:30 p.m. is fine. I will prepare dinner early and then I will have everything ready for our baking session before you get home. Debbie: Make sure that we still have enough sugar and eggs, Moms. It seems like you were using lot of sugar and eggs baking the cakes and muffins today. Mr. Anderson: Don't worry, we still have a plenty of sugar and lots of eggs, enough to make at least 10 pies. Debbie: 10 pies? Ha! 10 sounds like a good number, but let's not overdo it. Let's make 9.5 pies instead. Mr. Anderson: Okay, we will make 9.5 pies tomorrow, no more, no less. Debbie: It's a deal. Mr. Anderson: Enough about baking pies. I need to start working on today's dinner. It is 3 o'clock already. Your dad and Chef will be home soon. I'm sure they will be very hungry and will want dinner right now. Debbie, what do we have for dinner tonight? Mr. Anderson, I will make roast beef and cream of mushroom soup. Debbie, it has been long time since you made a cream of mushroom soup. Do you need any help, Mom? Mr. Anderson, no, go do your homework and leave the cooking to me. Debbie, thanks, Mom. Call me whenever dinner is ready. I don't want to be late for roast beef, cream of mushroom soup, carrot cake, and muffins. Mr. Anderson, the muffins are for Cheffy. Do not touch them. Debbie, I know, Mom, just kidding.